Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on how to draw this, and it's pretty easy. Then I thought you could add a little bit of flair to it and have a little bit of fun with it. So let's just take my black box out of the way. And I'm going to, if you remember from part one, this was a object now, so we can left click, right click. It is grouped together. No, it's not. So if we will group it together, Control G, it'll do it all at one time. When we go to Effect and Contour, and contour point two to the outside. We don't have to break the contour apart. Let's put our black box back. Let's go ahead and go, well, because our lines are black, they're not showing up. So let's just do it without. And take your smart fill tool. I'm going to use this lime green this time. And then take any color. Let's do blue and see what it looks like. Now, we're touching in the middle, so it's doing the whole thing around. And voila, it gives it a total different appearance. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.